FloriDada. FloriDada is a song by Animal Collective. It was released on November 30, 2015 by Domino Records. Avey Tare explained that the song was sort of inspired by hating on people from Florida. I was driving in LA and flipping through the radio dial and came across a morning radio show where they are just talking all the time. They had a segment called, like, Dumb Things People Are Doing in Florida. It kind of bothered me. Everybody they kind of agree that Florida's such a weird place, know what I mean. But in a way, that's part of the charm of it. Music video. A music video was released on January 8, 2016. It was produced and directed by the Brooklyn, New York artist collective PFFR. The video had its television premiere on Adult Swim's Toonami block on January 9, 2016. == References ==